Today we are testing Vidu Claw. It's an AI marketing agent that turns your ideas into fully produced videos automatically. Perfect for creating marketing content, ads and scaling content production fast. Let's go in. So first you go on Vidu.com. Here we have an overview about the tool. You can create cinematic quality videos here. In this video we will focus on the Vidu Claw feature. So let's hit try Vidu. As you already can see, Vidu Claw video plan is released. There is no more pay use fees. You have one price covers all. You can hit try now. Or on the top you go on Vidu Claw. Vidu Claw is the first AI marketing agent built on OpenClaw, powered by Vidu Q3. It's ready to use instantly. You don't need any setup here. If you scroll down a bit, you see some astonishing results here. You can turn ideas into marketing content with Vidu Claw. It's perfect for social media video creators, e-commerce merchandisers, content growth operators and so much more. To get started, just hit Vidu Claw. In the interface of Vidu Claw on the left you have a new chats, your agents. As you can see here, you can connect it with Telegram and Discord, which is incredible. Some files the agent generated. And on the bottom left you have the new Vidu skills, which is the official Vidu API using Vidu CLI to generate your desired AI videos. After signing up you come to this page here. The best to get started, you connect Vidu Claw with your Telegram. Just hit configure bot for Telegram. First you need the bot token here. You have also instruction here on the top. First you need to find the bot folder user. Let's see. Click on it, start the conversation. Now you have different commands here you can use. First we want to create a new bot, so we enter /new bot, hit enter, find a name for it. We want Peter, enter. Now we need a username, it should be end with bot, so Peter bot. It's already taken, let's use Peter 111 bot. It's already taken, let's use Peter 111333 bot. So now it's fully set up. We have our token access here. We just copy it, paste it. The allowed user IDs. We just enter our Telegram user here. We don't have a proxy URL. We don't need a markdown formatting, but we want to enable the Telegram notifications. Hit save configuration. And now you're ready to go. We now added our bot here at Telegram. Let's try it. Hello. Let's try it again. And on the second hello, Peter is awakening here. And here, hello, I'm Vidu Claw, your AI media production partner. How you can assist us today? In our case, we want to create a small coffee shop business. So first we need a business plan for it. I want to create a coffee shop business. What are the most important steps for this? He's now analyzing our prompt, gathering all information automatically here. Remember, we are in Telegram here. You can do that all with your mobile phone. And a minute later we have the result. He gives us a structured plan, develop a business plan, find the location, the licenses, design your space, hire the right team. Great. We want to dive deeper here. Create me a coffee brand with some visual assets. First, generate me a logo with a fitting name. And just by prompting, he will generate us a fitting image here. And here is the reply. He is suggesting us the name Amber Roast with the slogan warmth in every drop. Very nice. Now we have a decision point where we have to reply. He wants to generate us a few logo variations here. We can choose from the auto mode or plan mode. Auto mode, he will generate all automatically, presenting us the final result. Or we want a step-by-step where we can customize things before he is generating some stuff. We would like to use the auto mode. And remember, you can do this while traveling on the train or in the metro, just by simple text prompts on your smartphone. Vidu Claw is just amazing. While it's generating, you can just sit back and relax. If you have connected Telegram with Vidu Claw, you get smartphone notifications. And here is the first result, our logo, and it looks just awesome. He also embedded our logo on some things like a coffee bag here. Exactly our logo from before. Nice design, modern, ready to use for your coffee shop business. And another astonishing thing here, he created a coffee shop front with our desired logo here he created before. Realistic, ready to use for further promotion on Facebook, TikTok or anywhere else. Amazing. Now we want to create a short promotion clip for it. Create me a short promotion video. about the coffee shop brand, including making a coffee in a fancy coffee shop, close-ups, coffee drop from the espresso machine, smiling customers drinking the coffee, max up to 15 seconds. He's now thinking again and he will shortly present us the final result. And as we can see, we have the results here, 3 different clips, and they are just astonishing. Look at this. Cinematic quality, no deformation, realistic, fitting sound effects, all in one. Let's look at another one. It's just amazing. Back at the Vidu Claw interface, we want now set an agent for a specific task each time. So we have this introduction here. You're an image generation agent. Your task is to generate images just with a black and white grayscale tones. Hit enter. He's now analyzing our prompt here. And as you can see, he's now ready. He wants now a subject or a description for the image prompt. We have the prompt of a cozy modern living room with realistic furnitures. And as you can see here, Vidu Claw backend configuration is done automatically for your image to image or text to image. It's just amazing. And as you can see here, the mobile view is also great, perfect for using it on your smartphone directly. And as you can see, the result is just amazing, high quality, exactly that what we wanted, black and white image of a living room scene. So now you can use the agent just by inputting your desired image prompt and generating always the same style, ready to use for Instagram, Facebook or anywhere else. Amazing! You can also view more cases here, just click on it. As you can see, here are great examples what you can do with Vidu Claw. It's just amazing! If you liked Vidu Claw, just click the link in the description to try it out and get 300 credits. See you in the next one!